Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now friends, in this video I will show you the Vechain price predictions. What's the current price of Vechain coin, and what is the price change goes in the Vechain coin, what's the low price, what's the high price of Vechain coin, and more about a Vechain coin I will discuss in this video friends. So friends, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Vechain coin. As you can see here, the Vechain price in a USD dollar is $0.135 is the current price of Vechain coin. And if we look the low and high price of Vechain coin in the 24-hour, so the low price is to $0.1274 and the high price is $0.1401 is the high price of Vechain coin in the last 24 hours. If we look the currently price change goes in a Vechain coin, so the currently price change goes in a Vechain coin is 1.38% change goes in the 24 hours. You are watching this time the change. Now friends, let's see more about a Vechain coin. Let's see the statistic price predictions about a Vechain coin. VET price statistics. As I show you the VET price statistic, the last price change, as I also show you the 24 low and high, also show you in the start of video. In the trading volume, the trading volume of the Vechain coin is about 6.99% falls down. As you can see, trading volume falls down. It's really bad news. In the market cap of Vechain coin is 0.1658 percent as a market cap. 0.1658 is a market cap. In the market dominance is about 0.42%, and the market rank is 19 is the market rank of the Vechain coin. If we look the market cap, oh my god, market cap is very badly falls down. 0.83% market cap falls down in the 24-hour, and the fully diluted market cap is also in the first 0.83% also falls down friends. Now friends, let's check it out the price prediction chart of the Vechain coin. As you can see here, oh my god, they take a high explosion, but unfortunately now time the change is negative. That's mean that currently at this time they are in a fast mode. As you can see here, a very high jumps occur in the Vechain coin at this time. As you can see here, now very big jump. Oh my god, I can never saw this kind of jump, but now currently at this time, I think currently at this time they falls down. As you can see here, the price at this time is $0.13351 is the price at this time. As you can see here, the chart Saturday, April 10th, 26. Oh my god, that is the all-time price prediction story. That is why they are moving upward. So my suggestion for all of Vechain coin holders that now the current time of the Vechain coin is bait, as I know that falls down at this time. I'm also a holder of Vechain coin. Please be patient and don't worry about the falling of Vechain coin. It's depend on your luck. If you are lucky, you will make profit. If you are unlucky, you will make loss. So my suggestion for all of you that please hold your Vechain coin with the last of this month. And if you want to buy a Vechain coin, so absolutely it's a bad time to buy a Vechain coin. What's your opinion about Vechain coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.